In this video, we explore how Pinterest bulk uploading can significantly enhance your social media strategy. By using PinTrafficMachine, you can efficiently manage multiple pins at once, saving time and ensuring consistent branding. This method not only streamlines your workflow but also boosts your visibility on the platform in 2024. PinTrafficMachine is an advanced tool specifically crafted for Pinterest users. It facilitates bulk uploading and management of pins, allowing marketers to efficiently schedule and organize their content. By automating these tasks, it reduces the hassle of manual uploads, enabling users to focus on crafting engaging visuals and strategies. Bulk uploading on Pinterest offers numerous advantages, such as significant time savings by allowing marketers to upload multiple pins simultaneously. This approach also enhances brand consistency through uniform visuals and messaging. Furthermore, it maximizes exposure by ensuring a steady stream of content on the platform, engaging a wider audience. To begin bulk uploading with PinTrafficMachine, first ensure your account is properly configured by integrating your Pinterest profile. Next, select the images and content you wish to upload in bulk. This streamlined process allows for efficient pin scheduling and ensures your content reaches your audience consistently. Creating high-quality pins begins with understanding your audience. Use bold colors, clear fonts, and captivating images to capture attention. Include informative descriptions and calls to action that encourage clicks. Consistency in design and branding also helps build recognition and trust, ultimately driving higher engagement on your Pinterest content. Monitoring and analyzing your bulk upload performance is essential for optimizing future strategies. PinTrafficMachine provides built-in analytics to track engagement metrics like clicks, rep-ins, and impressions. By evaluating this data, you can refine your content approach, identify successful pin styles, and enhance your overall effectiveness on Pinterest. In conclusion, we explored the benefits of bulk uploading on Pinterest using PinTrafficMachine, including time savings, improved branding, and increased exposure. We encourage you to implement these strategies to enhance your Pinterest presence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more valuable insights.